And the #1 product of 2018 is the Atomos Ninja V, Ninja 5 field recorder. It's called Ninja V, but I call it the 5. It's called the 5, but I call it the V. They're getting crazy with the Roman numerals. It doesn't matter whether you call it the 5 or the V. Either way, this is a phenomenal product. I love it. If you've got a mirrorless DSLR camera with 4K, this puppy is for you. It's sleek, it's sexy, it's super bright screen. It is definitely the way you want to go. It's perfect for DSLR and mirrorless cameras. It'll monitor, record, and play back your footage. And also, what will it do? It unlocks the new ProRes RAW format. That's right. This little puppy, this little field recorder, all 5 inches of it, is the first product to unlock 4K ProRes RAW workflows. So that is why the Atomos Ninja V, Ninja 5 is our #1 product of 2018. Congratulations, Atomos.